for rigid only. It has a shuttle indexing system. It pushes it into registration several times. It also has a vacuum that holds it down. These UVs I have off, but they flash on and off, so you don't get anything burned. And here's the stacker. It actually, when it gets full, it moves over to another stacker. Kind of great, huh? Two color printing, inline UV, ATMA press, and it's all done. Right. Right. See, it scans it, and when it leaves it stops scanning the UV. He's going to box it in. Completely automated. It won't do flexible stuff, but it'll do rigid. That's it, folks.